So today we will discuss how to write a Java program that continuously asks the user to enter their age until they enter a valid positive number. First is to import java.util.input mismatch exception and import java.util scanner public class age eligibility to read the user to enter their age, and input mismatch exception is used to handle cases where the user enters non-integer values. Then scanner equals new scanner system.in to initialize to read user input in boolean continue running true, so that controls whether the program should continue running. Next is to input while loop so that the program runs inside until the user decides to exit and the program asks for the user's age. Then put while true try system dot print enter your age, and age equal scanner dot next in break catch input mismatch exception a system dot out dot print line to ensure the age is in a reasonable range 0 to 160. If the age is invalid, so the program asks for a new input, then system dot out dot println age 18, you are eligible to vote, you are not eligible to vote, to determine if the user is eligible to vote or not. Putting strain age group equals get age group age to calls the get age group method to determine the age group, and to the result is printed. Then input boolean valid response equals false, while valid response into the program we make to ask the user if they want to enter another age. If yes, the program repeats. If no, the program exits. And if the input is invalid, it asks again. And for the final touch is method for age to determine the age group input private static string get age and age. So the program is just like this. Let's run it. First is 6 years old. You are not eligible to vote. You are classified as a child. Then, do you want enter another age? Yes. Enter age 15. You are not eligible to vote. You are classified as a teenager. Yes. Do you want to enter another age? Yes. Then 19. You are eligible to vote. You are classified as an adult. Do you want another age? Yes. How about 60? You are eligible to vote. You are classified as a senior citizen. Do you want another age? Yes or no? Yes. If we input on not age, just like this, so the system invalid input, please try again, enter your age. So just like that. Thank you.